All right, so now that we have the wood bed installed, all the bolts are tightened down, the mounts are done, the bed is where it's gonna be. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping it for some bed liner, and it's all gonna be coated black on the inside of here. Gotta do some tape work around the wood itself. But other than that, it should be a pretty smooth process as long as the taping off goes good. So pretty much I'm just gonna hit the whole entire bed with 220, rough it up real good, wipe it down with some tar and wax remover, tape it off, and we'll see if we can't get it shot tonight. But I'm not sure if we'll be able to, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Now that I got it prepped, or sanded as much as I want, which is just a roughing up the surface and hoping for the best, because I'm sure this stuff goes great over rust. But we shall find out. It's first time using it. Speedo Coat brand. Usually I've been using Raptor liner, but my dad used some and it actually turned out pretty good, which is probably about the same thing, but I figured I'd give it a shot, you know, why not? It's honestly, I think it's a little bit cheaper, if I remember correctly. But we'll see how it's gonna work out here. It's gonna be interesting to tape line on the bed here. That's not gonna be normal. But you know, what's normal about this thing? Like these blue shop towels. They really don't leave any residue or anything behind. I like them a lot. So now I just need to get up inside the bed here and work some magic on the walls here. Once again, not a show truck, gonna be a work truck, so hopefully this will last a little while, which I think it will. I've done the same kind of thing in a Dodge truck before, and it lasted pretty good, honestly, for what it was. So, curious how it's gonna work here. Gonna be a lot of taping. Now we're moving on to the taping off portion of it. What I'm doing here is using my imagination to hopefully not get bedliner where I don't want it. So when I go to spray stuff, like in the corners, I'll step on that piece of cardboard. In my brain, that'll lock it in place long enough for me to put a coat of that on there, and I'll just have to go slow with it in the corners. I really want to be sure that I don't get any on the, the wood bed. So that's important to me. I just go slow with it. Make sure I keep my angles the way I want to. And I think it'll work out pretty good, honestly. Well, that's about as prepped as I've ever seen any truck bed liner installed. Know what you're thinking. It's terrible. I agree. But, I just work with whatever I got anymore. As you can tell, I got everything kind of maxed off best as I could, and I'm getting ready to spray this stuff I've never had before. It's Speedo Coat brand Bedliner, and I'm curious to see how it works out. It wasn't that bad. It was about $100 for the kit, and it's a little cheaper than the Raptor liner I was using before. So we'll see how it goes. It's saying to spray it at 60 to 80 psi, and I just don't remember spraying it that high. I remember spraying it like 30 last time. So I don't know. We'll try 60 to 80 and see how it looks. Maybe it'll make it look a little better than what it did prior when I was doing it, but never know. So go ahead, get some air on, start laying down some bed liner. everything is still setting up and it's still getting tacky, but the texture and everything looks good. It doesn't look splotchy, at least in person. It kind of, you can see the light shining on it in different spots, but I think it'll dry out really good. I'm happy with the texture. It's not really an aggressive texture. It kind of laid out pretty smooth once I got down to it, but overall, I'm pretty happy with everything and the way it turned out. It at least gives it a form of protection that it didn't have prior, and I know it's gonna get used and abused, so it'll go back to looking bad one day, but for now it looks pretty good. But that's it for this episode of Andrew's Garage. If you like it, don't forget to return next week for another episode. Till then, we will see you later.